What is the value of the expression 8 plus 88 divided by 4 times open parenthesis 9 plus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 8 plus 88 and write this expression as 96 divided by 4 times 9 plus 2 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the division between 96 and 4. And this expression simplifies to 24 multiplied by 9 plus 2 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 24 times 11, which ultimately gives them the answer 264. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option D. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 8 plus 88 divided by 4 times 11. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 4 and 11 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 8 plus 88 divided by 44. Then, they go for the division between 88 and 44 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. And they rewrite this expression as 8 plus 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 10. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 88 divided by 4 times 11. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 88 and 4, which simplifies this expression to 8 plus 22 times 11. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 22 and 11, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 8 plus 242, which ultimately gives us the answer 250. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.